Ashley, or you can call me Ash. Welcome to my first YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing my everyday makeup look. Whole look after the whole outfit. I'm probably going to put some accessories, these earrings. Very cute. Okay, and then let's just get started. So, mainly what I use is drugstore products because that's all a bitch can afford. So first let's start with primer. And it's really good. It's the Baby Skin. But yeah, by Maybelline, drugstore as per usual. I use that amount. And then rub it between my two fingers. And then I go boop, 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 boop. Basically where you sweat or like where all your pores are at. So, oh yeah, it minimizes pores. I don't even know if I said that, but minimizes pores. Okay, now to brows is my favorite. I love brows. Sometimes they don't turn out right. Sometimes they don't love me, but it's okay. Here it is. Okay, so I use this angle brush. It came with the... Oh, here, let me show you what brow I'm using. I'm using the Milani Brow... I don't even know if this is brow gel, brow pomade. I guess that's what it's called. And it's in 05 dark brown. Oof. I remember when I used to use powder for my brows, and I used to use, like, literally black. That was not cute. Basically, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I go under the brow first, and I just do slight strokes. Just to be clear, this is my least favorite brow. Like, I do not like this brow. Like, this is like the rejected sister. Like, this is like the middle child brow. Even though I don't have 3 brows. But like, if I did have 3 brows, then this would be the middle child. I don't know. I think I like my brows on the thinner side just because I don't have that much forehead room. As you can see, like my forehead. Don't roast my hairline, okay? Like, I know I have a little bit of, you know, a little bit unevenness, but you know, you gotta work with what you got. My mama gave me this, so I gotta work with what I got. Favorite eyebrow, I think. Oh wait, is this my favorite eyebrow? I don't know. Okay, maybe this is not my favorite eyebrow. Maybe this is a rejected sister eyebrow. But yeah, those are my eyebrows. But after that, I just get my blending. But yeah, it has this cool like little, which it blends my eyebrows really well, and it takes off all the extra product that I may have used, because this pomade again has a tendency to like build up. Concealer, but it's the Bobbi Brown in Warm Honey. The instant full coverage concealer. Now we are going to outline our brows, and I used to not do this step just because I didn't think it was necessary, but it honestly makes a huge difference, and I love doing it because it's so satisfying. And we want to like extend that even out because you're like, we're gonna blend it anyways, that's fine. And I'm gonna extend this end out like this. There we go. Okay. The eyebrow's done. Okay, I think that might be my favorite brow for this time. It's usually this one, I think. I can't remember. Oh my god, I spend so much time on my eyebrows. Jesus Christ. So I'm just gonna use the Bobbi Brown concealer again. I'm just gonna go not under my eyes right away, because like if I blend up here, it's gonna get in my eyelashes, and I'll explain to you why I do not like that in a second. But okay. So now that I look like the matchmaker from Mulan. Like right here it's like really dark, so I don't like to cover my mole because I love my mole, and I also have a little mole right here. And then I get my beauty blender. My bad, my lisp came out. I don't even know if that's a lisp, but. And so, okay, I'm not even showing you what I'm doing. So I have my beauty blender. It's disgusting. Don't at me. But okay, I have my beauty blender, and I have this little spray bottle here that I use for like everything. I use it to like wet this beauty blender because I'm too lazy to go to the sink. Dab it and on my forehead too, my little 3 head, and then like this. And that's why I don't like putting it under my eyes, because once I go like that, my eyelashes get it, and I don't like wearing mascara. I like curling my eyelashes. Like I used to not curl them, but what was I even saying? Oh yeah, I don't like putting mascara on my eyelashes because I hate taking it off, because it like makes me lose eyelashes, and I hate that. Okay, now I'm gonna do my under eyes, which I desperately need because my dumbass stays up late watching YouTube. By the way, who are you guys' favorite YouTubers? My favorite YouTubers right now are... Okay, it's not a beauty channel or anything, but it's like Dashi. He plays video games, and I like watching his, what are they called? His Mario Maker one, Super Mario Makers. They're so fun to watch. And like his game, he's just so funny. Like, I love Dashi. He's so funny. Please marry me. But he's so funny. He always brings me joy, brings a smile to my face when I'm down, when I'm sad. I'm just like, let me watch Dashi. And then my other favorite YouTuber is, well, I like Shane Dawson. He's pretty cool. Who else? Alexandra's Girly Talk. I love her. I've been watching her since I was like in middle school. I love her so much. Oh, and I also love Amber Scholl. Amber Scholl, oh my god, she's so freaking adorable. I love her positivity. Oh, by the way, I'm using a different concealer, but this is by Maybelline. It's in the color medium 25, and it's lighter, and I want that just because I wanted to mix in with the Bobbi Brown concealer to make it a tad bit darker, just a little bit, and it's just like brighten up under my eyes. What do we do next? Oh yeah, eyebrow gel. So I use this booty one. It's by Maybelline, of course. The Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara. It's a gel, and it's like not see-through. What is it called? It's transparent. And yeah, I don't know which one is my favorite brow. This one's more of arched, like, and this one's just more like. Now I set the concealer, but I wait a little bit just so it can like dry, so it doesn't become like all crusty and stuff. Now I'm gonna set the concealer. Oh yeah, I'm using this contour by Elizabeth Mott. It was crusty. Elizabeth Mott. I don't even know where I got this. I think I got it from Christmas, probably. But I'm just gonna be using, I'm not gonna use the yellow one. Oh, I am using the yellow one, but I'm using a mix of the yellow one, the pink one, and like the brown one. Actually, not that one, like the lighter brown one. Just like, get the excess off. And then sometimes I, what's it called? Contour, but I don't want to contour right now. And then I'm gonna get some highlighter. By Physicians Formula. I think it's supposed to be like shimmery eyeshadows, but it's called Natural Nude. And yeah, so now we're just gonna add that right here. So now what I do, so I go like that, just to get like all the shades in one finger. I just go like this, like light hand, don't go crazy. And so on my upper lip, and then go on my nose. Like blend that out a little bit, and then we're gonna curl my lashes because I don't like doing my mascara, or not my mascara, my, what is this called, eyeliner, and then curling them because and then it gets on the wand. That's what I wanted to say. It gets on the wand. Honestly, recommend me some mascara because I've been using like this Maybelline one, and it's like it's cute or whatever, but like it's just like if I put it under here, it's gonna go under there. So I need like some good mascara, like good drugstore, please, for a broke bitch. Help a broke bitch out. Oh my god, I'm always so scared that I'm gonna cut off my eyelashes. One of my friends did that. There are my eyelashes. Now I'm gonna do eyeliner. So I have a weird way of doing my eyeliner. It's probably not that weird, but we're gonna get in some trash talking today because I use the Kat Von D eyeliner, the Kat Von D one, but I don't use a formula for it. I just use it for its precision because it really is precise. What I do is, so I use this, and I also use the e.l.f. one. This is Jet Black e.l.f. But yeah, you see that? It's like so like not even like dark. Like you see that? That's not even like opaque at all. What I do with the e.l.f. one is, so it has this kind, and it's not really that precise. So what I like to do is I put this wand aside, and then I get the little pot, and I get this, and I just like dip it in here. Oh yeah, and this also thing that I do is that I don't do the line all the way, just because it makes my eye look really chunky, and I don't really have a big eye. I have like little almond eyes, so it's like the bigger they can look, the better. I don't really have any lipsticks just because I don't like wearing lipsticks. I don't like the feeling of them on my lips. I just have like this neutral brown color. It's by Revlon, and it's in the color Mink. Creme Mink. That's fine. Oh, by the way, look at the neck. Look at the bracelet. I don't think I showed you. really cute. Don't mind my hairy arm. Just Mexican girl thing. But I think I'm finished. So this is a finished makeup look. I'm gonna put on some earrings and then do my hair real quick. But yeah, I'm gonna do my hair, put some earrings on. But I'll show you the finished look after I'm done. Oh, that's cute. That's a cute look.
I was born and raised, I don't know where, she's from Florida.
I feel like I want to burp.